Today YouTube video we are going to be talking about two things. Number one, how to trade candlestick pattern like a pro, and number two, my analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum this week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section right now. Welcome to the chat, guys. So today's video we are going to be talking about candlestick. What are candlestick pattern? And what are candlestick? Candlesticks are just a simple way of looking at the history price of an asset. Each candlestick represents the price movement of, of the asset for a particular period of time. We have two types of candlesticks. We have green candlesticks that represent buy pressure and red candlesticks that represent sell pressure. These are hanging man, hammer, shooting star, inverse hammer, gravestone doji, dragon's fly doji, long leg doji, ricksaw man doji, spin top doji, screw head amarobozu. So that are the type of candlestick patterns we have. So I'm going to be showing you on the chart where to note. First of all, note the things you need to know before applying candlestick pattern to your strategy. Number one, candlestick pattern only trades in important key zones area. Example are support and resistance or value zone. Number two, candlestick pattern is best used in higher time frame. Example are 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. Number three, candlestick pattern cannot be used to trade alone. You have to add other components to trade with candlestick pattern. So I'm going to be showing you example of the type of candlestick pattern on our chart. So let's go to the daily. One way I apply my candlestick pattern is like once I see that price have been moving in an uptrend for a long time or in a downtrend for a long time, like price right here, you can see that price have been showing different series of green candle. You could count it one, two, three, four. Price have been showing different series of green candle to the upside for a long time. Then price showed a red candle after a series of plenty green candles and showed a red candle. That candle now is trying to indicate to me that buyers are coming into the market and it's time for me to start taking in profit or locking in my profits. So that is one of the ways I use my candlestick. Another way is waiting for my candlestick pattern to come into my key zone area. Like you can see, this is my key zone area. This is my key zone area. As you can see, candle the the price touched the key zone, and the last candle before the price touched the key zone was a red candle. So if you check the last candle, it was a red candle, and the one before it was a green candle, and the green candle before the red candle engulfed the red candle. The green candle before the red candle engulfed the red candle. That is what they call bullish engulfing. Now, this pattern that we see here is one of the confluence that you can use and say yes, it's a good time, or this is the right time for me to buy, or this is one of the confluence I need to see for me to take my trade. So there are many ways of applying it, but note the best way for you to apply a for you to apply a candlestick pattern is doing a best place for you to apply a candlestick pattern are only important key zone areas or resistance and support areas. Two, candlestick patterns are used in higher time frames. And three, candlestick patterns cannot be traded alone. So there are many other ways of adding candlestick pattern, but this is the best way and this is my best strategy of adding candlestick pattern to my trades. So we're going to go to top down analysis. We're going to go to analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to go on the analysis of Bitcoin this week. So on Bitcoin this week, let's go to 4 hours time frame. So on Bitcoin this week, I was saying what I was expecting on Bitcoin this week. I was saying I was waiting for price to come and take out this our level here, this our resistance over here, and come back and test the zone to continue to the upside. But once price take out this resistance over here with a bullish candle is enough confirmation for us to be entering the trade. But as you can see, and I also said in our last video that there might be a manipulation. The price might come down to keep this zone like this. So as you see, but we're still waiting for price to take out this high to move to the overall direction. But now what shape can we see here? We can see a channel shape in Bitcoin. So what we're waiting for, so still for price to take out this high, or if price cannot take out this high, price can also come in like this. Don't forget price. So what is my analysis on Ethereum? I take a trade on Ethereum this week. I saw a clean entry and I took in another trade around here. So let me show you guys why I saw that made me enter trade on Ethereum. As you can see, market keep on breaking um we can keep on breaking price to the upside, keep on breaking price to the upside. As you can see, from all year market keep on breaking price to the upside. You can see there higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, another higher low. So what are we expecting? We're expecting the higher high to around 40k in Ethereum. So that's what we're expecting. And you can also see that price was in our equilibrium level in our RSI. Price was in our equilibrium level, touch our equilibrium level in our RSI over here, and also touch our 50 EMA. That is bullish signs for us to take a buy. And you can also see that when price touches our 50 EMA around there, you can see something. You can see a bullish engulfing candle. I don't know, maybe you can see it around there. You can see a bullish engulfing candle. You can see a bullish engulfing candle around here. That's a bullish engulfing candle. So that is where we took our trade. You can see a bullish engulfing candle around here. So what we were waiting for, we're waiting for a break of market structure around here. So when price broke the market structure, price gave us different shooting stars to tell you that buyers and sellers are still struggling in the trade. Then we saw another bullish engulfing candle. But before we draw the another bullish engulfing candle, we saw we should highlight our key zone. We should highlight our key zone. That's our key zone. So so price broke the key zone, show different shooting stars to tell you that buyers and sellers are still in the market and keep on breaking to the upside with more momentum. Price came back again, test the key zone, give us different shooting stars to tell you that buyers and sellers are still in the market. But right now, price gave us a shooting star and a bullish engulfing candle. So we did take our trade around there and our stop loss around there, and we were targeting up to because my analysis on Ethereum, I'm expecting for Ethereum to reach 70k. That's my analysis on Ethereum. I'm expecting it to reach 70k, but let's just see where it goes. We'll be taking profits from time to time as it's getting to that level of 70k. Yeah, I'm expecting Ethereum to be around, to come around 70k. Come around 70k. So I'm expecting Ethereum to around 70k. So what should we should be expecting? We should be expecting in coming weeks. What should we be expecting in on Ethereum? We should be expecting like a break of market structure to the upside to around 5k level. Then come back to retest this resistance O area, or you can also draw your key zone from here to here, and to come back and retest it, or retest this O resistance, this O support area. Sorry, not resistance O area. Retest this O support area, or you can draw your key zone from here to here. So once you come to retest this support area, it's going to break to go to around 70 level. So that is what I'm expecting on Ethereum this week and this week's. Well, let's go to